In this problem, we have given a helicopter starting on the ground is rising directly into the air at a rate of 25 feet per second. Suppose this is helicopter and the rate of this is 25 feet per second, and you are running on the ground starting directly under the helicopter at a rate of 10 feet per second. This is you and it is 10 feet per second. Okay, so you have to find the rate of change of the distance between the helicopter and yourself after 5 seconds. First of all, we will see after 5 seconds, we will see the distance traveled by you will be 10 into 5, that is equal to 50 feet.